So, some really great updates. The team have been busily away and we've updated our dashboard and added in a new text widget feature, which we get some great feedback about, and the whole sort of dashboard redesign. We've also improved our reporting around some of the transactional items, and that's gained some traction and in line with a lot of our requests. And we've got two exciting new integrations. One is with Puzzle, who are based out of the US, and the other one was with Penny Lane, who are based out of France. And a little bit more Joiin-centric, we've also had a bit of a rebrand, and we've just launched our new website, and yeah, we're obviously very excited about that.
Okay, thank you for that, Lucien. Now we're going to go through three of our big features that we've released recently. So we're going to have a look at our automatic adjustments features. So anyone that's managed a multi-entity group will understand that when eliminating intercompany transactions, when FX is involved, this throws up issues because of those FX differences. So what we've implemented recently is this nice netting adjustment, which will account for those differences. So we've got two intercompany accounts here on screen. And now if we go over to our balance sheet report, you can see that the two intercompany accounts don't bounce off against each other because of the aforementioned FX differences. With this new netting adjustment feature, Joiin will account for this and manage all of this for you. So if we now have a look at this balance sheet here, we can see that the two amounts balance here and here. And now if we dive into the equity portion, you'll be able to see here that Joiin's added these intercompany netting adjustments to account for these differences and ensure your balance sheet balance, which is a massive time saver for multi-entity finance teams.
Absolutely.
We're going to change gears slightly and have a look at categories. So again, really heavily requested, and this is giving more flexibility when reporting departmentally, basically. So when we bring in your category options from Joiin, we had customers requesting that they were able to group these. What I've done here, territories groupings, and within here we've got my category options of East Side, North, South, West Coast, etc. So if we go and have a look at how this looks on a report, this is what it would have looked like previously. So you can see we've got individual category options for these, but actually I want a more kind of condensed view. So I can change the reporting category option. I can choose to choose my North as South. I'm going to remove my unassigned just for the purpose of this, and I'm going to apply these changes and I'm going to run that report. And you can now see that my category and class options have been grouped, giving me kind of a bit more simple feel on the report. And then finally, the one that we're most excited about is the reporting that we are about to release. It's in alpha testing and getting some really good feedback. We've been working with a team called Useractive over in Barcelona who have given us a kind of a complete redesign of our reports. And what we're going to do, we're going to just dive straight in and look at one of these reports. So we heard kind of the same feedback time and again. They want more flexibility, the customers, and better looking reports, which we've delivered here. So we've got this nice report here with more charting options, more customization, allowing you to put multiple reports and charts onto one field or one screen. We've got AI analysis out the box, analysing the reports in real time that you have in front of you, and it's going great, and we could not be more happy with the reports.
Absolutely, and as you said, the initial customer feedback has been fantastic. So yeah, fantastic. Really looking forward to delivering this over the coming weeks and getting your feedback. Kicking off with some future plans. We've been building on our Joiin Intelligence, which is our AI engine, and we're going to be delivering even more functionality to you. And next stop will be an AI assistant, which is a report builder chatbot, which we're going to be releasing. And as usual, we want participation and feedback, and that's coming to you in the next weeks and months. So really excited about that one.
And then to round off some features we've got coming in the pipeline. The Excel plugin, which is something that's in beta testing at the moment, and if you'd like access to that, by all means let us know. And this is just going to give you a live feed of data from Joiin into Excel, which will give you more flexibility, customization options, and allow you to integrate Joiin more seamlessly into your existing workflows, which is massive. Coming straight off after that is the Google Sheets integration as well. And then finally, to close off, something that Lucien and I have been asking for a long time actually, is that operational data piece. So bringing in headcount data to augment your reporting, which is going to be massive, and it's one of our most requested features actually.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so lots coming down the pipe, and looking forward to updating you very soon.